Welcome to this video. In this session, I'm going to talk about this new development base plate with cage. Let's see the demo. Pick the column and pick the position. Then double click and open the properties. I'm changing this one to chemset. If the rotation is not correct, just for an example, you can change this option and change the rotation to back. Of course, you can control the distances between the bolts. You can choose between bolts and anchor rods. For outer, change this option. For number of plates, you can also change the rotation of this anchor rod. For changing the grout thickness, position, it can be either above or below, and then the grout angle. Here is an option to make the anchor rod as an assembly with the plates. You can also use this base plate to hollow sections. Let me change this option to chemset. So these base plates can be changed in any direction. If you are interested in buying this tool, feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you for watching this video.